is another spot that was on my trail. So I have to show this in a video so I can put it on there. They call this the emblem. See how big that statue is? Yeah, that's one of the statues that's on this rock. They came seeking freedom. That's what it said. See, and it's a whole area of just statues. Yes, that's serious. Yes. And it said, welcome to freedom on this wall. Yeah, so they have an area that they made down here. That's on my trail. And that's one half of it. Like this one say, their bands have broken its surrender. See how serious this is? And it say the slave. Now this is on Robo House.